So, Anton, you're competitive. It's clear. You've told us how competitive you are. Where did it originate from? And I want to know, when did you first realize, dang, I am a competitive person. Ayaw ko talaga magpatalo.
Siguro, yun nga, I told you, like, my dad was the one who really made me fall in love with the game. And I remember he would tell me na parang whenever you play, dapat todo ka lagi, di ba? Ayaw mong,
Huwag matalo.
ayaw mong magpatalo, di ba? Laban. So I guess it came from him also na ganun. But I think I was just also born with that competitive spirit. Kasi naalala ko, like, I like to play video games. I would play with my friends before and my cousins, and pag natatalo ako, napipikon talaga
Tahimik
ako.
ka after,
Yeah,
di ba?
napipikon talaga ako. So, I guess yun nga, I was just born with that competitive spirit. And in a way, my dad also instilled that in me. And siguro, as I was growing up, like, there were always times na parang I was on the verge of getting cut or I would get cut.
Always on the cusp.
Yeah. Na-instill na nga sa akin to just always just keep fighting for, that slot, or just keep fighting to win. So I guess that's where most of it came from.
Did that competitive energy ever border on the line of physical battles? Like, diretso ko na. Did you ever almost get into a fight in a basketball court at any stage of your life? Or did you actually get into a fight?
Actually, what, funny story. The only time I've ever got into a fight was when I was in grade school.
Which was in Ateneo. No?
In Ateneo. I was grade 5. I will never forget this. I was grade 5. I think we were playing against Marist, and the league was PSBL ba yun? Or Mini Paya, one of those leagues. So it was a close game.
Fourth quarter?
Fourth quarter. Umahabol kami. Natambakan kasi kami. So we were pressing. Siyempre, nanggugulang na ako, ganyan. I guess the guy didn't like how I was holding him too much, so he just pushed me. And then he just punched me out of nowhere. Grade 5, in the face.
Straight right
So ako
here.
nagulat ako. I was like, so sinapak ko din siya. And then we were both thrown out.
Yeah.
And then, that was the only time I ever got into a fight. Like a real fist fight.
What did your dad tell you after he found out? That's what I really want to know.
Natawa lang siya. Kasi yung dad ko, madalas makipag-awayan before. So I actually love listening to yung mga kwento niya sa akin before when he would get into fights. So natawa lang siya. Actually, natuwa siya. Kasi he was also interested to see how I would react.
Right.
Parang like, was I gonna fight back? Or was I gonna run?
Yeah.
So natuwa naman siya sa akin na lumaban ako.
Did you ever become friends with the guy who punched you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
We became teammates.
Where?
In high school.
What's his name?
Should I say it?
Yeah, just say it.
Si Kiko Talag. I don't know if you know him.
Okay.
Yeah, we became friends. He became my teammate in QCAA ba yun? Masaya in high school. And it was like water under the bridge.
Yeah.
Sobrang wala.
Papagtawanan nila
Yeah. We're still friends right now, actually.
Now, let's talk about something else. Correct me if I'm wrong. I was told by a source I trust that you do not have a girlfriend.
Yes, I do not have a girlfriend.
All right. Is that because ball is life, or is that because you just haven't found the right one?
I haven't found the right one. And by choice na din siguro.
Okay.
Kasi lover boy ako eh.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
So, I've always had a girlfriend when I was in high school, when I was in college, even after. So now parang ayoko muna mag-girlfriend.
So before that you go here, you're also into golf, right?
Yeah.
How long have you been playing golf?
I actually started playing golf like seriously siguro nung pandemic, 2021.
Right.
But then when I was a kid, kasi I come from a family of golfers, I actually have the brother of my dad was actually a pro before sa
Really?
June Golf.
Wow.
And he became a pro also. So whenever he would practice sa driving range before, sumasama ko na I was probably like 8, 9 years old. But then yun nga, I just really got into it nung pandemic kasi that was the only sport that we could actually play.
Wow. And how good are you now?
I'm okay. I'm a lot better than I started.
started, yeah.
But I feel like I could still improve.
I heard Coach Tab likes to play golf.
Yeah,
And Sean
actually.
Kiteves told me he likes to trash talk while playing golf too. Have you ever played golf?
I
again?
haven't. I need to take him out on the course one day. I need to see where his golf game's at.
And if you beat him, what trash talk are you gonna tell him?
I'm gonna tell him all sorts of things. Hindi ko na sasabihin dito.
Okay, I think that's a good way
Yeah.
to leave it. Anton, appreciate you, man.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Good.
I'm on my prime, I'm feeling like Steph. I get my shot and I promise it's wet. Waited too long, but I told him I'm next. I need my bag.